Okay, guys, I'm going to be going to market for Captain Black. So a little salute to you. It's early morning. Been into the Discord already and put in the strengths, etc. Let me just kind of show you what we're up to. Now, in it, video breakdown here because I was requested by Captain. And the market updates are here. Okay, so you can see what it is we're looking at. So it was looking for buys, but there was no trade available at that time, but now it is. Okay, now I'll come back to this in a moment because I need to sort of keep half an eye. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to follow red candles down on a 5-minute chart, and I'm looking for I'm looking for decent meat on the bones. So the first thing that I need to do is measure it out. So let's see. So if I'm looking for about 37 ticks, well, I've got plenty of room there. So I can put my order above this particular candle. Is what I'm going to do right now. So we are looking to buy this on the top of there. We'll just drop in a target. Okay, so there we are. So that's in. Now what I'm going to do is I've got a couple of things to do. So I'm just going to let this play out for now, and then I'll come back and I'll kind of explain the trade a little bit more, just so I can finish what I'm doing. But in the meantime, what we're looking at is we're looking for a long, and we're stuck between these two levels. The further I can get it down, the easier this target becomes. But if I look at the hourly, what we'll see is it's pushed against this, it's come down, and it's now working its way back to where it came from. Now, the further I can get that down, the better. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So we're going to follow these red candles and then hopefully get a slam to the upper side. Okay, guys, so that's that job complete. It was a super trade, so just make certain I get my tickets off, because I do have a habit of leaving these things on. And on that quick surge, thick end of 500 quid, that'll do me. All right, so this was a very, very simple trade. You had the DAX open at 7 o'clock, showed its hand a little bit, and then we have the volatility, which we just seen coming in right now. Once I've worked out a key direction, all I had to do was stage between those two lines, and we are laughing. Now, those are also set up in a particular way. If you can't mark a chart up, because if I show you my chart, that looks horrific, but each one of these levels has a key point on the chart. And not only is it a key point on the chart, it shows pretty much where it will stall and start. And looking at it, you go, oh my God, that's terrible. But if I'm looking at an hourly chart, which is where I do look, these are pretty much bang on. And where it was working at the moment here, it was pretty much perfect. Okay. So I was more than happy. Now, there's other ways you can do it. It's all sort of swing failures and Fibonacci sort of ratios and extensions, etc. I'm working off this particular move here. It's come down. As you can see, even when it breaks through, it finds these here and pushes up, shows compression, etc. You drop this into a 15-minute chart, and not only does it show you where the price has been to the pip, straight back down, push, excellent. Shows all the stall points when it pushes through, shows where the compression points are. And that's what this does. Finds it all the time. And this is the essence of GoldenEye and sort of Kylie retracements, you name it. Everything is there. Trading is not difficult, not really, if you know what you're looking for. The hardest part always has been you. And it's over trading, chasing the markets, trying to basically outperform something that's better than you. No. What you do is you target appropriately, you get in, you get out, you get paid. Simple as that. If you're stuck, drop down into the description. You'll see all bits and pieces about what I do and who I am. And if you really want to see it, just drop over onto the website, scruffytrader.com. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.